Welcome to this presentation on thyroid diseases. Thyroid diseases refer to a group of disorders that affect the structure or function of the thyroid gland, leading to abnormal production of thyroid hormones. These conditions can result in either an excess, known as hyperthyroidism, or a deficiency, known as hypothyroidism, of thyroid hormones. They can also include structural abnormalities such as goiter or thyroid nodules. Before we delve into the types of thyroid diseases, let's review the normal values for thyroid hormones and related parameters. T3 or triiodothyronine should typically range between 80 and 200 nanograms per deciliter. T4 or thyroxine is normally between 5.0 and 12.0 micrograms per deciliter. TSH, or thyroid stimulating hormone, ranges from 0.4 to 4.0 milli-international units per liter. Additionally, normal calcium levels are between 8.5 and 10.5 milligrams per deciliter, and a normal heart rate is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. Let's explore the two main types of thyroid diseases, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is characterized by reduced production of thyroid hormones. It can be caused by autoimmune diseases such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, iodine deficiency, or surgical removal of the thyroid gland, known as thyroidectomy. Common characteristics of hypothyroidism include fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance. Patients may also experience bradycardia, constipation, dry skin, and hair loss. In severe cases, hypothyroidism can lead to myxedema, which is non-pitting edema, and even coma. Investigations typically reveal elevated TSH levels greater than 4.0 milli-international units per liter, with low T3 and T4 levels. Next, hypothyroidism is characterized by excess production of thyroid hormones, often due to Graves' disease, toxic multinodular goiter, or thyroid adenoma. Symptoms include weight loss, heat intolerance, tachycardia, tremors, anxiety, diarrhea, and excessive sweating. Severe cases can lead to a life-threatening condition known as thyroid storm. Investigations reveal suppressed TSH levels below 0.4 milli-international units per liter, with elevated T3 and T4 levels. Let's move on to pharmacological therapies. For hypothyroidism, levothyroxine is used. It is a synthetic T4 hormone that replaces deficient thyroid hormones. The dosage ranges from 50 to 200 micrograms daily, adjusted based on TSH levels. In India, common brands include Thyronorm and Eltroxin. For hypothyroidism, antithyroid drugs such as methimazole, at 10 to 30 milligrams daily, and propylthiocal, ranging from 100 to 300 milligrams daily, are used. Brands in India include Tapazole for methimazole and PTU for propylthiocal. Beta blockers like propranolol, dosed between 40 and 160 milligrams daily, are used to control symptoms like tachycardia and tremors. Radioactive iodine therapy is another option, which ablates thyroid tissue to reduce hormone production. In severe cases or for large goiters, surgical management through thyroidectomy may be necessary. This concludes our overview of thyroid diseases. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to ask.